Hey, what's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to the channel. We're diving deep into the Bitcoin beast today. Imagine this, it's October 8th, 2025, and Bitcoin's flexing at a jaw-dropping $122,125 per coin. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking six figures as the new normal, with the market cap exploding past $2.4 trillion. This isn't some dusty old chart. This is a live-action thriller from the Binance Futures board, spanning late September to early October, packed with candlesticks that look like they're dancing on rocket fuel. Picture green candles shooting up like fireworks on the 4th of July, blue wicks dipping just enough to keep the adrenaline pumping, and volume bars lighting up the bottom like a Wall Street afterparty. The price action? It's been a wild roller coaster, dipping to $120,516 lows that had us sweating, spiking to $123,313 highs that got the heart racing, all on 150 million BTC traded in the last 24 hours alone. That's $18 billion in USD volume. Folks, institutional whales and retail degens alike piling in, turning this into the hottest ticket in town. Now zoom in on that price pane. Those thick green and red bars aren't just pretty colors. They're the pulse of the market, showing Bitcoin's price closing higher or lower over time frames from 5 minutes to a full week. See how the candles cluster around that $122K mark. It's consolidating like a coiled spring, building pressure after smashing through resistance like it was made of tissue paper. Overlay those moving averages. The orange EMA, 7, hugging the price at 122,226. The purple EMA, 25, right there at 122,322. They're screaming bullish crossover, where short-term momentum is outpacing the longer trends. Throw in the EMA 50 at 120,726 and EMA 100 at 118,321. And you've got a staircase of support levels that could launch us higher if we hold them. The EMA 200 chilling at 116,337. That's your ultimate safety net. The Big Daddy trend line that's kept Bitcoin from face planting since the summer surge. And don't sleep on those Bollinger Bands. The price is dancing right in the middle of that volatility squeeze, with upper at 123,209 and lower at 119,327, hinting at a breakout brewing. The SAR dots flipping bullish below the candles. Parabolic alert, this is Bitcoin saying, I'm not done climbing yet. Flip your eyes down to the RSI, that yellow squiggle waving at 44.8. Not overbought like a party that's gone too far, but dipping into neutral territory after hitting 108. Wait. Yeah, that glitchy spike to overbought central showed the frenzy when we cracked all-time highs last week. It's cooling off now, folks, which means room to run without the exhaustion crash. Volumes popping at 80,842 contracts. With those MA5 and MA10 lines trending up, buyers are stepping in stronger than sellers, turning fear into FOMO, and the MACD histogram bars flipping positive at -374, with the DIF line crossing above the DEA, classic buy signal. Like the market's whispering, get in before the herd stampedes. This chart isn't just data. It's a story of resilience in a world gone crypto crazy. From the September 26th open at $109K-ish vibes, we've clawed up through macro noise, think Fed rate teases, ETF inflows hitting record highs, and that post-halving glow still echoing. The 24-hour change, a cheeky plus 0.28%. But zoom out, and it's up 28% in the last week alone. Highs at $123,312. Lows testing $120,516. That's the kind of volatility that separates paper hands from diamond ones. Engaging? Hell yeah. Every tick feels like a plot twist in your favorite blockbuster, with Bitcoin as the unbreakable hero defying gravity. All right, heavy hitters, let's talk turkey. Price predictions for the days and weeks ahead. Straight no chaser for you American trailblazers, grinding through tax season and all. Short term, eyes on $125K by the weekend. That EMA resistance is cracking. And with U.S. markets opening bullish on tech earnings spillover, we're primed for a 2 to 3% pop. If we hold $120K support, and on-chain data says whales are accumulating like it's Black Friday, next week could see us testing $128K mid-October, fueled by ETF flows rebounding post-fiscal drama. But the real fireworks, by end of October, I'm calling $130K? Yeah, that fresh all-time high territory. A 6 to 8% surge from here if momentum holds. Why technicals align with macro tailwinds. Bitcoin's outpacing gold as the ultimate hedge. Institutional adoptions on steroids. And having echoes are just getting started. Longer play, $140K by year-end if we break $132K clean. But DYOR. This ain't advice, just my read on the tea leaves. What do you think, squad, moon, or pullback? Drop your predictions in the comments. Hit that bell for daily crypto breakdowns. And remember, in this game, fortune favors the bold. Catch you in the next one, hodl tight.